Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is just an update video. This is showing that birds. I know. Oh cool man, we've got them back. These are our first birds back. It's been absolutely ages since we've put out videos. Oh, we've moved loads. Anyway guys, boring stuff. Moreover, we're getting birds. We've got some already. We've got 9 beautiful, stunning lovebirds. Look at these. Absolutely stunning. Look at them. There's a proven pair over there. We got this from a very nice lady close to where we live. We've done tons of research and we've found some fantastic birds. There are proven pairs. There's the 2 green ones there. They're a proven pair. And the ones next to them, the purple ones, they're a proven pair as well. In fact, that smaller green lovebird over there, that's their chick. And that lighter coloured one right at the back, over there, that's their chick. So, thank you all guys out there for staying put, and my subscribers, fantastic. You're all brilliant, man. Take care guys, thanks for tuning in. Super fast video, see you on the next one. Give it a thumbs up, that'd be cool man, and subscribe if you haven't below, because we're gonna get loads. Good on you guys, take care, bye.